To delete your Instagram account, simply tap on your profile icon right here, then tap on three lines. And in this window, tap on Account Center. Scroll down until you find Manage Accounts. Simply tap on Manage Accounts and tap on Manage. And right here you can see deactivation or deletion. Just tap on that, and in this window it is asking if I want to deactivate on temporary basis or if I want to delete permanently. Simply tap on Delete Permanently if you want to delete your account permanently. After that, tap on Continue and tap on Continue once again. And right here it is asking for a reason why I want to delete my account. You can select anything you want to. I am selecting just need a break, then tap on Continue once again. And it is asking once again if I want to deactivate on temporary basis or if I want to delete permanently. Then select No, Continue with Deletion. Scroll down, and right here you can also export your information if you want to. If you don't, simply tap on Continue and enter your current Instagram password. Once you have entered your Instagram password, simply tap on Continue, and it is asking for confirmation. Simply tap on Delete Account and your account will be deleted permanently. So that's how you can simply delete your Instagram account, and it will be deleted permanently within 60 days. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.